Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Outlook formatting to conditionally format. So I'm going to click on View at the top of my Outlook and then click on View Settings. And then I'm going to click Conditional Formatting. Now I want to add a new role, so I'm going to click Add. And I'm going to give it a title. And so I want to make sure that emails that come from a certain person are in a certain color. And so I'm just going to put boss because I want those to be in a certain color. And I'm going to select my font. And I can select the color. And then I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to select condition. And I want it from. And then once I have that person selected, I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to click OK again and OK. And so now anything that comes from my boss is going to be in that purple script color.